Hi, this is Bryan with Dalinghaus Construction, bringing your foundation repair tip of the day. Our float coatings can actually make you the envy of the neighborhood. Imagine that you have your garage, your driveway, or patio with these Pentec floor coatings, and you have every neighbor coming over and saying, "Where did you get that? Who did that for you?" It happens. We've been down the street after doing one home, doing the home down the street, around the corner, and it's because that floor coating amazes all your neighbors. If you're interested, call us today for a free consultation.